Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel pscinfotech. Today I am going to share SQL basic interview questions and answers with you. This is part 4 of SQL interview questions and answer series. These are very basic interview questions. Any interviewer first check your fundamentals. If your fundamentals are clear, then your chance of selection is very high. So you must prepare these interview questions before go to any interview. Now let's start with question number 1. What is data integrity in SQL? Data integrity means the data contained in a database is accurate, consistent and reliable. To provide data integrity, RDBMS provides us a set of integrity constants that ensures that the data entered into the database is going to be accurate, consistent and reliable. Data integrity are two types: system defined data integrity and user defined data integrity. System defined integrity has three types: entity integrity, referential integrity, domain integrity. What is constraint and why do we need it? Constants are set of rules that can be assigned to a column or columns of a table. They are mainly used to maintain data integrity. Constants are used to restrict the insertion of unwanted data in any columns. Constants can be specified when the table is created with the create table statement or after the table is created with the alter table statement. So see the example: create table person, id int not null, last name varchar not null, first name varchar not null, age int. So this is example of not null constraint. What is integrity constant in SQL? Integrity constant are set of rules. It is used to maintain the quality of information. Integrity constants ensure that the data insertion, updating and other processes have to be performed in such a way that data integrity is not affected. Thus, integrity constant is used to guard against accidental damage to the database. So integrity constants are four types: domain constant, entity integrity constant, referential integrity constant, key constant. What is domain constant in SQL? Domain constant can be defined as the definition of a valid set of values for an attribute. The data type of domain include string, character, integer, time, date, currency, etc. The value of the attribute must be available in the corresponding domain. So see the example. I have a table. It has four columns: ID, name, semester, age. So in last column age, in last row I have inserted A. It is not allowed because age is an integer attribute. So A is not inserted here. What is entity integrity constant in SQL? The entity integrity constant states that primary key value cannot be null. This is because the primary key value is used to identify individual rows in relation, and if the primary key has a null value, then we cannot identify those rows. A table can contain a null value other than the primary key column. So see the below example: employee table. There is three columns: employee ID, employee name, salary. So in employee ID column we cannot insert null value because it is a primary key. So it not allow, as primary key cannot contain a null value. So in employee ID column we cannot insert null value. What is referential integrity constant in SQL? A referential integrity constant is specified between two tables. In the referential integrity constant, if a foreign key in table 1 refers to the primary key in table 2, then every value of the foreign key in table 1 must be null or be available in table 2. So see the below example. We have two tables. Table 1 has employee name, name, age, department name, and table 2 has department number and department location. So department number in table 2 is a primary key and department number in table 1 is foreign key. So see in table 1 18 is not allowed here because this 18 number is not available in primary key column in table 1. What is key constant in SQL? Keys are the entity set that is used to identify an entity within its entity set uniquely. An entity set can have multiple keys, but out of which one key will be the primary key. A primary key can contain a unique and null value in the relational table. So primary key always contain a unique value. So see the example. I have 4 columns: ID, name, semester and age. So ID column I have already added 1002. So in the last row, if I add 1002 again, then it's not allowed because all rows must be unique. What are the different type of constants available in SQL? SQL Server supports 6 type of constants for maintaining data integrity. These are default constant, unique key constant, not null constant, check constant, primary key constant, foreign key constant. Remember, constants are applied to columns of a table. Define constant with an example. We already know constant are 6 types: primary key, not null, foreign key, check constant, unique constant, default constant. So I have created an example: create table student. So ID is primary key, name is not null, course ID is a foreign key, age is not null with check constant, age must be greater than equal to 18. Admission date has applied default constant. So if date is not available, then it gets the today's date. And unique constant applied on ID and name. Thanks my dear friends for watching this entire video. Hope you have enjoyed with this video. Please feel free to comment if you have any query or question in your mind. I will give you answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more latest videos. All the best. Thank you very much. Bye bye.